Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to connect your MemeFi to OKX Wallet. So open up your MemeFi coin bot on your Telegram first and press play and launch the D app. So from there all you have to do is let's hold on right here. So here you want to tap on this OKX button right here and check the task. Connect to the OKX app and then it's going to redirect you to the OKX account. So you have to back up your account, of course, and of course, so you will have to back it up from there, and then it will ask you a confirmation if you want to actually connect. So if you want to do it again, retry it. So you can connect again, yes, and then once you connected, and it's gonna prompt you to ask if you want to connect this D app into your OKX wallet, and from there it's gonna be connected from there. And it's just that simple. So you can claim right here. So you can again connect your wallet right here. If you want to connect your mini wallet, you can also do it. But I would suggest you use the OKX app for better connection. So it's really just that simple to connect your MemeFi OKX and OKX together. So there you go.